Does your survey measure what it was designed to measure? That's validity. Using a real 8-question survey, I'll show you how to test it with factor analysis in SPSS, all in 90 seconds. Let's go! After entering your data, navigate to Analyze Dimension Reduction Factor. Select all 8 variables, P1 through P8, and move them into the Variables box. Click Extraction and ensure Scree Plot is checked. Then, click Rotation, select Variance, and run the analysis. First, let's check the quality of our analysis. The Communalities table shows how much variance in each question is explained by the factors. For a strong model, we want values above 0.6. Look at our results. P1 through P6 and P8 are excellent, all above 0.89. However, P7 is very low at 0.369, which is a red flag. It isn't being captured well by the factor structure. Next, the total variance explained table is crucial. It tells us how many meaningful factors we have. We used the initial eigenvalues column and Kaiser's criterion of eigenvalues greater than 1. Here, only component 1, 4.30, and component 2, 2.66, meet this criterion. Together, they explain a very strong 86.95% of the total variance in your survey. This is excellent. It means just 2 factors capture almost all the important information from your 8 questions. This is perfectly confirmed by the Scree Plot. You can see a sharp drop after component 2, forming a clear elbow. This visual test confirms that 2 components are the meaningful ones to retain. Components 3 through 8 are negligible and can be ignored. Now for the most important part, the rotated component matrix. This tells us what these 2 factors actually mean by showing which questions belong to each. Factor 1 is defined by P2, P3, P5, and P8. All have extremely high loadings, above 0.94. This means these 4 questions are all measuring the same underlying trait or concept. Factor 2 is defined by P1, P4, and P6, which also have near-perfect loadings above 0. 94, this is a distinct second concept. This clean split is very strong evidence of construct validity. Your survey is successfully measuring 2 separate things. Notice P7 again? Its loadings are weak, 0.561 and 0.233, and it doesn't cleanly belong to either factor. This confirms it's a problematic item that should be revised or removed to improve your survey. So, we've proven your survey has a strong 2-factor structure, but we've also identified a weak item. Now that you've validated your scale, the next step is to describe your data. In our next video, we'll cover descriptive statistics in SPSS to show you how to summarize your results. Follow so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.